and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. Do you also want to automate the entire process of sharing discount codes, deals and offers with your customers on WhatsApp? So today I'm going to show you to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for the same. So as an owner of a makeup studio, my objective is to share discount codes, offers and deals with my customers who are sharing the inquiries on WhatsApp. Therefore, I'm going to build this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to automate this entire process. If for your business you also want to learn this amazing chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen, everyone. So as you know, we are going to learn today how to create deals and discount chatbot for sending WhatsApp messages to our customers who are asking us for discounts or deals which we are running for our business. So here I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your customers for sending deals and discounts offers to all of them without any manual efforts. So let's get started. So here, as an owner of a makeup studio with the name as Divine Glamour, I want to automate my discount offers and send exclusive deals to customers without manual efforts when they are asking me about the same. So with my deals and discount bot, customers can simply message me about the offers and the bot will instantly share special discounts like coupon codes, buy one get one free offer and different offers on different varieties of services. So let's get started for creating that bot over here. Now, as I'm going to create the bot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I'm already logged in. And from the left side over here, you can see we have the option of flows. We have to select the flows option and then we have to click on this add flow button. As we have done that, a new flow is ready in front of us, which we have to create and complete. First of all, I'm going to name my flow, let's say as... So here, let's say I'm going to give the name to my bot as Divine Glamour Deals Bot, as I'm creating this chatbot for discount and deals. And here the name of my makeup studio for which I'm creating the chatbot is Divine Glamour. So here I have given the name. Now we are going to start with the trigger. So the trigger of flow is going to start the workflow every time we are going to receive a message from a user which contains a specific keyword such as about appointment, bookings, discounts, deals, offers. When they are going to send us a message which contains a specific keywords, then our flow is going to start. So I'm going to use some of the common keywords over here. Suppose hey, and in order to insert this word as keyword, we have to enter the word and then we have to take the cursor on this word and we have to click over here. As we have done that, the word will become blue and it will be added as a keyword. Then in the similar manner, we will add some more keywords. Let's say hello, hi, discount, let's say price. So we can have multiple keywords in the similar manner. But are the customers going to enter only the keywords or they can also ask some specific sentences from us? For example, my customer is not sending a specific keyword. They are sending me that I want to know about the discount offers in your makeup studio. Now here with the sentence, I need to catch the words such as discount, offers or makeup studio. When the keywords which I have identified will be available in the sentence sent by the customers, then I want to start my flow. For that, only keywords are not going to work. For that, we have to use regex over here. So here I'm going to enter the regex pattern, which will help me to identify the keywords from specific sentences when the users or the customers are going to send separate different sentences, variety of sentences to me on my number. Then the keywords will be identified and will be matched, and accordingly the flow is going to work. So basically, regex is regular expression. It is a pattern used to match specific words or phrases in message. So in our bot, we use regex for, let's say, discount offers, deals, bookings, makeup discount, price, etc., which helps detect when users mention words like discount, offers, deals, and more like similar words, whether the words are case insensitive. So it is automatically going to be matched, and as soon as the words will be matched with the keywords, the flow is going to trigger. So in this way, our bot is accurately going to respond when customers ask about deals or bookings in any of the sentences or in any of the words. Okay, so here quickly I'm going to enter the regex. So here I have entered the regex with /b bracket and the words which I want to use as keywords in the regex such as discount, offer, deals, and I have separated them with the help of these hyphens. And also I have ended the regex like this, bracket end/b. So if you want to know more about regex and the pattern that you have to use, I'm going to attach a document in the description of the video, so you can open the document and check for the regex and the description of that. Now, apart from this, after entering my regex and the keywords, then it is saying enter regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for case sensitive regex. If you are having the regex which are case sensitive, which could be case sensitive, you can also toggle this button over here. It is not mandatory to toggle the button every time. According to your use case, according to the keywords which you are going to receive from your users, from your customers, you can decide whether you want to toggle it on or not. All right, in order to understand more about the regex and the pattern, as well as how to toggle the button in which of the use cases, you can just check out the reference document which I'm going to attach in the description of my video. So after setting up this flow start step, that means when I'm going to receive the messages from my customers, such as these, hey, hello, hi, discount, price, bookings, appointments, makeup booking, etc., then what I have to do? I have to send them a welcome message. So first of all, I will then send them a welcome message. And after that, I'm going to ask their names. In order to do that, we have to go towards actions. And here you can see we have an option of ask question. So I'm going to quickly drag it down over here. And now as the question is attached, I'm going to quickly connect it with my trigger like this. So the question is now in flow. Now what question you want to ask? So the question is, hi there, welcome to Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. Before we share our latest deals, may I know your name? So now I'm going to send a welcome message to my customers who wants to inquire about the deals and the offers. But before moving forward, I also want to know their name. Now, here I have already inserted name in my custom fields. So I'm going to select full name as the custom field. You can select your contact custom fields according to your choice by going towards the settings section and going towards contact custom fields. I'm going to open it in a new tab, and over here you can see that according to different requirements, you can have multiple contact custom fields you can add, such as name, mobile number, last name, first name, company name, date of birth, etc. Alright, so here I have added the custom field as full name which I want to inquire about my customers. So I have already selected that, and then you have to provide the format. In which format you want to collect the names? Obviously, it will be in text format. So I have selected text. Also over here you can see we have the option of enter number. So we can provide attempts, number of attempts to the customers. By mistake, if they have entered the name wrong, so they can have the attempts in order to change the name or to edit that. But here I'm going to only provide a single chance. That means only one attempt. All right. Then if you are providing the multiple attempts according to your requirements, you can also give them validation message. If they have entered the name wrong, so you can provide them that no, it is not the correct format of the name. Please enter it again. Like this, you can send them a validation message in your flow. Now after this, when they will enter the name, I will be informing them about the services on which we are having the discounts today. So for that, I'm going to attach a new message over here. For that, we'll go and we'll click on this plus sign like this. And over here, it is asking us choose content type. What kind of content you want to use over here? Whether you want to add a text plus button, whether you want to send a media, whether you want to provide a list or a template. So I'm going to select text plus button option. And now here I'm going to enter a message as, thanks, we are offering exclusive discounts on our beauty services today. Which service would you like to choose? This is the message which I'm going to send when they are going to ask me about the offers, and they will provide me the name. So here then I'm going to attach buttons so that they can select any of the specific service. So first of all, I'm going to click on this add button, and I'm going to enter the text as makeup. Okay, then I'm going to attach another button that will be, let's say, for hairstyling. And the third button which I'm going to attach is for skincare. So I've attached 3 buttons over here. These are the services on which we are running the offers today. So according to the requirements, the customers can select any of the button. After this, now let's move forward in the flow. Okay, so let's suppose if the customer is going to select the button for makeup. So here I'm going to provide the discount offers in the makeup now. In order to do that, we'll just drag another feature like this. And over here, it is asking us to select the type. So I'm going to select the content type as text plus button once again. And over here, I'm going to enter the message for the makeup as, great choice. Get 20% off on all makeup services. Use code GLAM20 while booking. So here I have provided the message for the discount offer which we are running on the makeup services. Now here I have attached a line. Click below to book an appointment. And here I'm going to attach a button over here, book now. All right, now again, if the person is going to click on this button, they will find two options. So here I'm going to drag and drop another step, and here I'm going to click on text plus button, and I'm going to enter the message as, so I have entered the message. Great choice. Get 20% off on all makeup services. Use code GLAM20 while booking. Now, would you like to book an appointment now? Select an option below. So here, if the customer is going to click on book now, then I'm going to provide the link. Then I'm going to attach another button that will be no, not now. So here I've provided two options. First, they are going to click on book now. So if the customer is going to click on this book now option, then I'm going to send them the link of appointment. So I'm going to attach another flow over here. That will be, so here is my message. If the customer is going to select book now option, so then the bot is going to send them the message as, click on the link below to book your appointment and to avail the discount today. All right, and then I'm going to provide them with the link. But in case if the customer or the client is going to select no, not now, then I'm going to send them another message for, no worries, feel free to message us anytime for more deals. This will close there. Now, all right, now this flow was created for the option makeup. When the client is going to select for the makeup option, this is the discount code which I'm going to provide them, GLAM20. And if they are going to select book now option, an appointment link will be sent to them automatically. If they are going to select not now, then thank you message will be sent to them. But if the customer is going to select the option hairstyling, then we have another deals for that. In that case, I'm going to use another flow and I'm going to send them another message as, amazing, enjoy a buy one get one free offer on hairstyling. Use code HAIR B1G1, tap below to claim. Again, after sending the message, I'm going to provide them with two buttons to book the appointment for hairstyling or no. So here, first of all, the button will be claim my offer, or the second button will be no, not now. No, not now. All right. So if they are going to select claim my offer, then again, I'm going to provide them with the booking link. So here I'm going to quickly again add another message like this. And if they are selecting not now, in that case, I'm going to once again send them the same message. Okay, done. After this was for hairstyling. Then again, we have another option of service, that is skincare. If the customer is going to select skincare as their service, for which they want to ask for the discounts, we are running separate deals for that. So in that case, I'm going to send them different message. So in the case of skincare, the message will be, treat your skin. Enjoy 30% off on any skincare treatment this week. Use code SKIN30. Tap below to book. So here, once again, I'm going to provide two buttons. If the customer says, book my appointment, schedule today, and second one will be no, not now. So here, if the client is going to select schedule today for the skincare treatment, once again, I'm going to send them the appointment link. And in case if the client is going to select no, not now, in that case, once again, I'm going to send them a text message. No worries, feel free to message us anytime for more deals. In this way, my flow is actually going to work. So here, if we are going to look towards the flow, let me organize it once again. So here the flow is ready. You can see, first of all, the flow is starting with the keywords such as discount, offer, deals, bookings, hey, hello, hi, price, etc. Then if the customer or user is going to send us a message which will match the keywords, then automatically a message will be sent to them with the help of chatbot which we have created, welcoming them to the Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. We will ask them their name, and then as soon as they are going to provide us the name, we will ask them what kind of services they are looking for, because we are running the offers for these three services. Any of the service which the client is going to select, according to that service, according to the discount offers which we are running on those services, we are going to send them the message. If they are selecting makeup, then we are providing them the discount code for 20% off. Now again, we are attaching the two buttons over here along with a message. If the customer is going to select book now option, then the appointment link will be sent to them automatically, by using which they can avail the offer by booking the appointment. If they are selecting no, not now, then automatically a thank you message will be sent to them and the chat will be closed. But if the client is going to select hairstyling as an option, again another discount offer will be sent to them along with the two buttons, and the same is happening with the skincare service as well. In this way, my flow is actually going to work. After completing my flow, I'm going to quickly click on save. As my flow is updated and saved successfully, I'm going to show you the live example of this flow. When I'm going to receive a message over here on my number, automatically my flow is going to work. So here, let me show you a live example. This is the number of my WhatsApp chatbot. When I'm going to send a message as a customer on this bot as, let's say the message is, "Hi, may I know about the offer?" As soon as the message is received to the bot has sent me the message, "Hi there, welcome to Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. Before we share our latest deals, may I know your name?" Let's say the name of this user is Smart User. Just a random name. Okay, as soon as I have sent the name to the bot has replied me, "Thanks, we are offering exclusive discounts on our beauty services today. Which service would you like to choose?" Let's say I'm going to select hairstyling. As soon as I've selected the button of hairstyling, here it has sent me the hairstyling discount offer. Amazing. Enjoy a buy one get one free offer on hairstyling. Use code HAIRB1G1. Tap below to claim. So when I'm going to click on claim my offer button, it has provided me with the link of appointment booking. So in this way, my bot is actually going to work. Okay, you can see that automatically the messages are being sent to the customers without any manual efforts. You do not have to worry about the replies or the responses. As soon as you are going to receive the messages, your customers are going to get the replies automatically with the help of these amazing bots. Now, with the help of this chatbot, you can save a lot of time. You can provide your 24/7 availability to your customers, which is going to engage your customers. It is going to boost your sales instantly by providing personalized discounts and increasing the chances of bookings. By engaging your customers with tailored offers based on their interest, the chatbot enhances the overall customer experiences as well. And definitely your productivity, your sales, and your business is going to grow. So I hope this chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business, not only for makeup studio, but you can create the same chatbot for multiple kind of businesses, such as for your fitness center, for your stationery, for your salon, etc. So I hope this video is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.